let's listen to some of the prominent voices, starting from Kanimozhi.
It turned out good for the DMK. And I love to thank everybody who stood by me, my family, my husband, my party, the party, the leaders, across the party who understood that.
பொய் கணக்குகளை எல்லாம் காட்டி இந்த வழக்கை திணித்தார்கள். ஆக அப்படிப்பட்ட அந்த வழக்கிலிருந்து அனைவருமே குற்றமற்றவர்கள் என்ற ஒரு தீர்ப்பு டெல்லியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய தனி நீதிமன்றத்தின் மூலமாக கிடைத்திருப்பது உள்ளபடிய மகிழ்ச்சிக்குரிய ஒன்று. ஆக அந்த தனி நீதிமன்றம் திமுகவை பொறுத்தவரையில் எந்த தவறும் செய்யவில்லை என்பதை தெளிவாக தன்னுடைய தீர்ப்பின் மூலமாக வெளிப்படுத்தி இருக்கிறார்கள். ஆக இப்படிப்பட்ட வரலாற்று சிறப்புமிக்க தீர்ப்பு வந்திருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த நேரத்தில் ஊடகத்தை சார்ந்திருக்கக்கூடிய உங்களை நான் மிகுந்த பணிவோடு கேட்டுக்கொள்ள விரும்புவது, இந்த வழக்கு போடப்பட்ட போது எந்த அளவிற்கு உங்களை போன்ற ஊடகங்கள் இதை பெரிதுபடுத்தி மக்களிடத்தில் கழகத்தின் மீது எவ்வளவு பெரிய களங்கத்தை சுமத்த வேண்டும் என்று கருதினீர்களோ அந்த அளவிற்கு பெரிதுபடுத்தி செய்தீர்கள். இப்பொழுது தீர்ப்பு எந்தவித குற்றமும் செய்யவில்லை என்று ஒரு வரலாற்று சிறப்புக்குரிய ஒரு தீர்ப்பு வந்திருக்கிறது. வழக்கு போடப்பட்ட போது எவ்வளவு ஆர்வத்தோடு இந்த வழக்கிலே நீங்கள் கவனத்தை செலுத்தினீர்களோ, ஆக அந்த வழக்கிலே குற்றமற்றவர்கள் என்று தீர்ப்பு வந்ததற்கு பிறகு இந்த தீர்ப்பை மக்களிடத்தில் இது ஆர்வத்தோடு நீங்கள் எடுத்துச் சொல்ல வேண்டும், அந்த கடமையை நீங்கள் ஆற்றிட வேண்டும் என்று திராவிட முன்னேற்றக் கழகத்தின் சார்பில் என்னுடைய வேண்டுகோளை உங்களிடத்தில் பணிவோடு நான் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன்.
Court judgment has to be respected, and I'm glad that the court has pronounced unambiguously that all this massive propaganda which was being done against the UPA was without any foundation.
All those politicians and bureaucrats accused of involvement in the 2G spectrum, as we said, which came into light in 2008, have been acquitted. Now, 2G, of course, stands for second generation wireless technology, basically an upgrade on telephone technology that allowed calls to be digitally encrypted, included data services like SMS and others. But what was the scandal all about? Let's take a look. It happened in 2008. Instead of auctioning licenses for the new 2G technology, the government of India allotted 122 of them to 9 select companies, and that too at prices determined in 2001. Estimates of the loss suffered by the exchequer varied from 27 billion USD to 300 USD. The government of the time was coalition led by India's oldest Congress party, and the accused included crucial coalition partners from the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu and some bureaucrats. There were also allegations against brokers, middlemen, and public relation consultants who were the chief accused. The charges were made against India's former telecom minister, Mr. Raja, and the daughter of DMK party chief, Mr. Kanimozhi, that were charged with using a forged document, arbitrarily changing the existing first-come, first-served policy of awarding licenses and of accepting $2 billion in exchange from one of the awardees companies for getting 2G license. It was a huge scandal at the time and instrumental in shaping public opinion about the Congress party-led UPA government coalition, which was hit by a total of 9 corruption scandals during the 10 years of its rule. The actual culprit may have been coalition partners, but it was the Congress party that suffered the loss of face in public, especially after embarrassing statements by some of its ministers trying to brush off the scandal as unimportant. The embarrassment deepened when India's highest Supreme Court declared the arbitrariness in awarding the licenses as unconstitutional. Individuals were fined heavily and came in for scathing criticism for the largest with India's national assets. And finally, the scam tainted India's reputation around the world in the leading international media. And let's listen to Mukul Rohatgi, the former AG of India.
It is, at best, it could be a civil issue. And all these people of the industry who were accused in this case, they have suffered enough. for the last 6 years. They've been unable to travel and their licenses have been cancelled. Therefore, I presume that the judgment would be saying that it's a matter of Clause 8, which cannot be a matter of triviality. And that's probably what has happened.
We don't know about the loss of the exchequer. A lot of that was notional loss, as you know. And the main thing is that the public got cheaper telephone rates. So I'm not quite sure about the loss. But if they've been acquitted, then clearly justice has worked as it's supposed to work in our country.
No, this is what happens, unfortunately. The opposition parties, our adversaries, and also few medias, they bloated this subject. Ultimately, we have now come down to the reality. And, legally it is not justifiable. And even the projection given by the CAG was totally wrong and it's hollow. And he also based upon only some perception and estimation. I don't think the estimation and perception will be legally sustainable in the court of law. That is what has happened.
This is court's verdict, and this is what Mr. A. Raja was telling. Every decision was taken collectively in consultation with senior colleagues, and he made that statement on the floor of the House. Now he stands vindicated.